ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ. Let me start with a question. Do we as Sikhs know how lucky we are? How lucky we are to be born in Sikh families? How lucky we are to be born as Sikhs? How lucky we are to be born in the Guru's lap? Unfortunately, we don't. Some say, I am proud to be a Sikh. But what does that mean? How proud is proud? Some say I am lucky. Again, how lucky is lucky? And some say that but don't mean it at all. Some say but do not have the feeling of pride. Some don't know how lucky they are. Some just don't bother. Some say there's no difference. We just need to be good human beings. Just to sidetrack a little bit, there's a very famous saying somebody has made up. Be a good human being first, before being a Sikh, Muslim or a Hindu. Unfortunately, if this was possible, if it was possible for man to be a good human being, then there was no reason for God to send His prophets to the world to spread religion. Religion was sent by God to us because it had become impossible for man to be a good human being without being religious. Now let's come back. How lucky is a Sikh? And how lucky is a Guru ka Sikh? How great is a Guru ka Sikh? With respect to all religions and all religious people, they're all good. But Guru says, "O Sikh, you are the luckiest of all." In Gurbani, the person who japs naam, jada naam japda hai, he has been referred to in Gurbani with different names. The people who are religious, the people who chant, the people who pray, they have been referred to with different names in Gurbani. They have been called Bhagats, they have been called Sadhs, they have been called Sants, they have been called Gurmukhs, and they have also been called Guru Sikhs. But Guru says, "Oh my Guru Sikh, ye sare change ne, they are all good. But Guru da Sikh, ye Sikha, you are the greatest." Guru Amar Das Ji in Rag Sorat says to us, listen to this carefully. Let's realize how lucky we are. Tan tan paag tina pagat jina, tan tan paag tina pagat jina, jo har nama har mukh kehte a. Guru says, the Pagat Jan, he is very lucky. Tan tan paag tina pagat jana. The Pagat is very lucky. He is very lucky because he recites the naam of Vaheguru Ji from his mouth. He recites it all the time. कि भगत जन जिहड़े हैगे ने उन्हां दे वड्डे भाग ने क्योंकि वो मूँह राही हरि दा नाम उचारदे ने. Guru says, great is the Bhagat. Then Guru goes further by saying, Tan tan paag tina sant jana, jo har jas sarvani sunte a. Guru says the Sant Jan is also very big. He is also very great. Why is he great? Because he's listening Harida Jas with his ears. ਉਹ ਸੁਣਦਾ ਹੈ. ਉਹ ਸੰਤ ਉਹਦੇ ਵੀ ਵੱਡੇ ਭਾਗ ਨੇ. ਉਹ ਹਰੀ ਜਸ ਕੰਨੀ ਸੁਣਦਾ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ. Then Guru goes further by saying that ਧਨ ਧਨ ਭਾਗ ਤਿਨਾ ਸਾਧ ਜਨਾ ਹਰ ਕੀਰਤਨ ਗਾਏ ਗੁਣੀ ਜਨ ਬਣਤਿਆ. ਗੁਰੂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਧ ਜਨ ਨੇ, ਸਾਧ ਕੌਣ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ? ਸਾਧੂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਧਦੇ ਨੇ. ਗੁਰੂ ਸੇਸ ਈਵਨ ਦੇ ਆਰ ਵੈਰੀ ਲੱਕੀ. ਉਹ ਕੀਰਤਨ ਸੁਣ ਸੁਣ ਕੇ ਗਾ ਗਣ ਕੇ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ? ਗੁਣੀ ਜਨ ਬਣਤੇ ਆ. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਗੁਣ ਲਿਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ. ਗੁਰੂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਸਾਧ ਜਨ ਵੀ ਬੜੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਨੇ, ਬੜੇ ਲੱਕੀ ਨੇ. ਗੁਰੂ ਅਮਰਦਾਸ ਜੀ goes further by saying, ਧੰਨ ਧੰਨ ਭਾਗ ਤਿਨਾ ਗੁਰਮੁਖਾਂ ਜੋ ਗੁਰ ਸਿੱਖ ਲੈ ਮਨ ਜਿਣਤਿਆ. ਗੁਰੂ ਸੇਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਗੁਰਮੁਖ ਨੇ, ਗੁਰਮੁਖ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਲੱਕੀ ਨੇ। ਇੱਥੇ ਜੋ ਗੁਰਸਿੱਖ, here the word ਗੁਰਸਿੱਖ means Guru's teachings. Guru says even the Gurmukhs are very, very lucky. Why lucky? Because they take the teachings of the Guru and man jintya, apne manon nu jit lende ne, they win over their minds, they conquer their minds. But Guru says sab tu vade paag Gursikhan ke. But Guru says above all, the greatest, the luckiest people are Gursikhs. Why? जो गुरु चरणी सिख पढ़ते हैं, the person who surrenders himself to the Guru, the person who has become a Sikh, the person who is a Sikh, Guru says he is the luckiest of all, or luckiest of them all. A Bhagat is lucky, a Sant is lucky, a Sadh is lucky, a Gurmukh is lucky, and Guru says Guru Sikh is the luckiest of all. You will notice that there are two words that Guru has used here. One is Gurmukh and one is Guru Sikh. And Guru says the Guru Sikh is luckier than the Gurmukh. Now, jada Gurmukh di vyakya ithe aunਦੀ hai, Gurmukh ithe means sangati, jo sangat vich aanda hai. He is not surrendered himself to the Guru, but he comes as a sangati, sits in the sangat and listens to Guru's teachings and wins over his mind. But he has not surrendered himself to the Guru. Guru says कि सारे चंगे ने, सारे अच्छे ने, all these religious people are very, very lucky. But Guru says, oh my Guru Sikh, you are the luckiest of them all. There is no bigger gift than Sikhi. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਿੱਖ ਹੈ ਬਹੁਤ ਉੱਤਮ ਹੈ, ਬਹੁਤ ਉੱਚਾ ਹੈ। ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਡੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। Now let's listen to Bhai Gurdas ji, what he says about the greatness of a Guru Sikh. ਕਿ ਗੁਰੂ ਦਾ ਸਿੱਖ ਕਿੱਡਾ ਕੁ ਵੱਡਾ ਹੈ। He says a Sikh is so great, so great. He says, I am a sacrifice to him. Now let's see what Bhai Gurdas ji says. Nak sees lo sagal ang, rom rom kar kaat kaat, sikhan ke charan parvarye. Now he says, Nak sees lo sagal ang. He says, from my toenails right to my head. He says, rom rom kar kaat kaat. He says, jide meri ek ek ang nu na, छोटे 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 पीसेस ਨੂੰ ਕੱਟੋ, just like ਜਿੰਨੇ ਛੋਟੇ ਵਾਲ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨਾ, ਛੋਟੇ ਛੋਟੇ ਕਦੇ ਏਡੇ ਏਡੇ ਛੋਟੇ 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 ਕੱਟ ਕੇ, and you know what he says, ਸਿੱਖਣ ਕੇ ਚਰਨ ਪਰ ਵਾਰੀਏ. He says spread them over the Guru ਦੇ ਸਿੱਖ ਦੇ ਚਰਨਾਂ ਤੇ ਵਾਰ ਦੋ. He says ਵਾਰ ਦੋ. That's how great a Guru Sikh is. Let's see what he says further. He says ਆ ਛੋਟੇ ਛੋਟੇ ਪੀਸਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕੱਟੇ ਹੋਏ ਨਾ, he says ਅਗਨ ਜਲਾਏ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਅਗਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਲਾਓ. That means burn them. For a piece and a pisai, he says, then grind them. After you burn them, that means he's talking about his whole body, anga. He says, burn them. So my bones, my skin, everything can become really into ashes. He says, jeda reh gaye na, haddiyan reh gayan. For a piece and a pisai, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੀਸ ਕੇ, that means grind them. Then he says further, tahile ude pavan hoye anak parkarye. Spread them in the direction where the wind is blowing, so the wind can carry my ashes. And carry where? Listen to what he says here. Jat kat sikh bhagat reh. Gur panth praat. Jadon Gur Sikh ਉੱਠ ਕੇ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਵੇਲਾ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਰਸਤੇ ਤੇ ਤੁਰਦਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਦਾ ਸਿੱਖ, the path the Guru Sikh takes to go to his Guru early in the morning. Guru says, Bhai Gurdas he says, jat kat sikh bhagat reh. ਜਿੱਥੇ ਸਿੱਖ ਭਗਤ ਧਰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਆਪਣੇ ਪੈਰ ਧਰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਦੇ ਪੰਥ ਤੇ ਮਾਰਗ ਦੇ ਪੈਰ ਧਰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਤਾਹੂ ਮਾਰਗ ਮੈਂ ਭਸਮ ਕਹਿ ਡਾਰੀਏ, my ashes. He says, let the wind pick up my ashes and blow it to the direction and let it fall where on that path that the Sikhs take to walk to their Guru early in the morning. Why? Because why is he saying so? He says, when that happens, ਤਹਿ ਪਦ ਪਾਦਕ ਚਰਨ ਲਿਵ ਲਾਗੀ ਰਹਿ. He says, ਮੇਰੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਐਸ਼ਿਸ ਗੁਰਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਦੇ ਪੈਰਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਜਦੋਂ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਹੈ, ਮੇਰੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸੁਰਤੀ ਹੈ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜੇਗੀ. ਫਿਰ ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ? ਇਹ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਦਇਆ ਕੇ ਦਿਆਲ ਮੋਹੀ ਪਤਤ ਉਧਾਰੀਏ. ਮੈਂ ਇੰਨਾ ਪਾਪੀ ਹਾਂ that a sinner like me, when my ashes touch the feet of Guru ਦੇ ਸਿੱਖ, he says, ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਤਰ ਜਾਵਾਂਗਾ. ਇਹ ਗੁਰੂ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰੋ, ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਤਰ ਜਾਵਾਂਗਾ. Then he says further, listen to what he says. Bhai Gurdas Ji says further कि I am a sacrifice to them. मेरी खल्लो मौ जड़े गुरसिख हंडांदे. He says, can you imagine somebody peeling off your skin, taking a knife, cutting your skin, taking off your skin from your body and then making shoes out of that skin? Bhai Gurdas Ji कहते ने मेरी खल्लो मौ जड़े गुरसिख हंडांदे. Bhai Gurdas Ji कहते ने मेरी खल ला के ना take off my skin and make mojade. Mojade means shoes for the Gursikhs to wear. Wah. Bhai Gurdas Ji कहते ने I will consider myself lucky if that happens. मस्तक लगे साध रहें कि उन्हां दे जेड़ी पैरां दी धूड़ ना, you know, when you wear the shoes, your धूड़ touches the shoes, है ना? Bhai Gurdas Ji says it's just like the धूड़ touching my forehead. मस्तक लगे साध रहें मड़पाग जिना दे. कहंदे ने ਉਹ ਬੰਦੇ ਲਾਕੀ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਗੁਰਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਦੀ ਧੂੜ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਨਾ, ਪੈਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਧੂੜ ਮੱਥੇ ਤੇ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਹੈ. ਇਹ ਮੇਰੇ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਗੁਰਸਿੱਖੋ, ਮੇਰੇ ਭੈਣ ਭਰਾਵੋ, this is how great a Gursikh is. This is the blessing Guru has bestowed on us. My dear brothers and sisters, let's realize how lucky we are to be Sikhs. While we respect all others, Guru says, "O Gursikh, there is no equal to you. There is no equal to you." Realize that Guru says, "O mere Gursikh, there is no one equal to you." To help us remember this and appreciate this, let us make it our daily practice when we get up in the morning, when we go to sleep in the night. Thank Guru. Hey Guru, badi kirpa kiti tusi, sade te badi raham kiti hai that I am born as a Gursikh. Let us say this. Dhan Guru, dhan Sikhi, dhan Guru de Sikh. Dhan Guru, dhan Sikhi, dhan Guru de Sikh. Dhan Guru, dhan Sikhi, dhan Guru de Sikh. Let's say this day in, day out. Remember, O Sikh, there is no other equal or like you or as lucky as you. Let's realize this. Let's thank Guru for blessing us with Sikhi and let's value the Sikhi we have. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.